Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited you're here today to make 2-ingredient pumpkin bars. These pumpkin bars could not be easier and they're so delicious. I cannot wait to share the recipe with you because I know you're really going to want to make this. The recipe will be listed below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And now on with our recipe. I am so excited to share this 2-ingredient pumpkin bar recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to put together. I have sprayed my baking dish and it's ready to go. I have my oven preheating to 350. I'll pour my cookie mix in and then add my pumpkin. I'll mix these 2 ingredients together and then we'll put it in our baking dish. Just spread it into a nice even layer. This literally only took a minute to put together. You can have this put together and ready to put in the oven before your oven is even preheated. We'll bake these pumpkin bars in the oven for about 20 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on them and check them with a toothpick to tell when they're done. Our 2-ingredient pumpkin chocolate chip bars just came out of the oven. These smell wonderful. I'm gonna let them sit to cool. And here's how the wonderful cookie bar turned out. I am so glad you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be super excited and so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.